How to transfer call from Apple Watch to iPhone. So if you have an Apple Watch as well as an iPhone and they are both connected together, now you want to transfer your active call on your Apple Watch to your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to make sure you do is your iPhone and Apple Watch must be connected together. Now once they are connected together, when you have an incoming call on your iPhone, it's going to ring on your Apple Watch. Now, as when you pick up the call on your Apple Watch, just like this, and now you want to transfer the call from your Apple Watch to your iPhone, all you just need to do is this. Go to your iPhone, to the active call screen on your iPhone. Then once you're on the active call screen on your iPhone, it should see the call on your iPhone like this. However, if while on your iPhone screen, you are still on the Apple Watch screen, then come back to the Apple Watch home screen, which is the wallpaper page. Click on the small call dialog here, like this. Then you should see an option that says to phone or to watch. So if you click on this icon, you should see transfer call to Apple Watch. If you click on yes, the call will be transferred from your iPhone to your Apple Watch. Now, if you want to transfer the call from your Apple Watch to your iPhone, you need to go back to your iPhone and go back to the call screen. And once you go back to the call screen on your iPhone, then you should see the call transferred automatically from the Apple Watch to your iPhone. So you can transfer call from the Apple Watch to your iPhone or from iPhone to Apple Watch. To transfer back from iPhone to Apple Watch and start listening and communicating on the Apple Watch, just click on the call dialog option on the screen. Just click on it once, and you will be able to take back the call to your Apple Watch. Then you should say transfer call to Apple Watch. Then you can just go ahead and click on yes. And then the call will be transferred from your iPhone to your Apple Watch. You see that? And vice versa. Now to do this on iPhone, just go back and click on the dialog box on your iPhone. And then you should see the call taken back to your Apple Watch. So that's basically how to transfer call from Apple Watch to iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.